Hi, story readers. I'm super excited for the last book in our Andrew Newman series today. This book was illustrated by Alexis Aronson, and it's called The Hug Who Got Stuck. I think this might be my most favorite one. Once upon a time, on a very ordinary day, deep in the center of a very ordinary heart, an extraordinary thing happened. Deep in the center of this heart was a hug factory. The hug factory made the most warm, cozy, cuddly hugs. Look at all that's going on in there. Each hug was freshly made and specially encoded with just the right amount of love and care to delight the heart it was made for. Being a hug wasn't always easy. Sometimes a lonely thought or bad feeling would trap a hug in a sticky web. So, to help hugs deliver their love and care, there was a big sign on the factory wall. It said, "Reminders to being a great hug. 1. Breathe in love to glow brightly. 2. Focus entirely on the heart the love is for. And 3. Don't pay too much attention to the web of sticky thoughts." On most days you could see streams of hugs entering and leaving the door of the heart, zooming away like bees from a hive. But not on this day. On this day there was a problem. One special hug on its way out of the heart got stuck. Very, very stuck. Uh-oh. This hug had forgotten the third rule. It fought against the web of sticky thoughts to get free, but every wriggle and squirm trapped the hug even more. Soon the hug ran out of breath and lost its glow. Inside, the heart became horribly congested, with crowds of hugs waiting to get out. Unused hugs were put into boxes until every inch of space was filled up. Outside the heart, there was also a problem. A traffic jam of visiting hugs couldn't get in to deliver their special love and care. Soon the factory stopped making new hugs. There was only one stuck hug in the center of one ordinary heart, but all around the world, hugs lost a little of their glow. The hug sighed helplessly. It stopped wriggling, stopped squirming, and stopped fighting. In that moment, something magical happened. As it stopped wriggling, it breathed in love and glowed brighter. As it stopped squirming, it remembered the heart it was made for. As it stopped fighting, it slipped right past the web of sticky thoughts. Free! The hug glowed brighter and brighter, zooming away toward the one special heart it was made for. The hug factory clinked and whirled back to life. A flood of hugs passed in and out of the heart, each delivering their special love and care. It was just one hug who got unstuck in the center of one ordinary heart. And all around the world, an extraordinary softening happened. The end. Another wonderful story. I hope this one makes you as excited as it does for me. Bye, story readers.